Well, to me, this is a very important aspect because school in Kenya requires collaboration from different stakeholders, not only within the Kenya but even outside. And for the betterment of the school and the academics in school, it's not a one-man effort. It requires collaboration. Volunteers play a major role because they offer the best guidance to the not only to the systems of the school but also guidance to in terms of resource support and advice and several options of improvement because um, volunteers is someone who they give it from the honest perspective, you know so it helps the school to really and expand in terms of development and improving their quality of academics. Their advice in most cases that I've witnessed, especially here in Green Garden, is that most of the improvement and development that have been done that have really aided in academics and improved education in this school are from volunteers. You see. These are people with ideas, people with great minds, and their contribution have really made great impact in terms of school development and improving the system of education here. Definitely, my child is in, I think, grade 5 right now, and you see, who she is right now is much of the what volunteers have done. They have improved in terms of broadening the understanding, the interaction even with volunteers themselves from different backgrounds, and broaden their perspective and the worldview of a child, and they've motivated the child, they're motivating them to admire and to, you know, have morale in academics. Sometimes when the child don't feel like going to school because maybe the school is boring, but volunteers have made my child is really, he loves school. She loves coming to school. She loves to her school is like another home, and I think this is the most have been made possible by volunteers. My child have really improved, you know, desiring to study more and broaden her vision and dreams in life because of encountering and being with volunteers and what volunteers have done generally in the school. They have imparted the perspective of children. They have broadened their worldview, and the children have bigger dreams than before because of their interaction. They're really pursuing. They want to be great people, and this is the work most volunteers have done. Yeah, as a parent, yeah, I see myself as a third party in the school, and I also play a very important role. Yeah, I'm preparing the child every day to come to school and making sure that, you know, my support is apparent to the school in terms of paying of school fees and, supporting the school in terms of um, whatever activity I've involved. Sometimes your parents meeting and parents clinic day of children. My involvement here, I've contributed a lot in the Green Card Academy, and I'm looking forward to do even that more. Yeah, and we as parents, we understand, especially a person like me, I've been here since the beginning of this school. I understand the context of the school, guiding the school and guiding teachers and in our meetings, in our discussion, really play a key role because as a parent, I'm not just only sending the child to come to school, but I also play part in sharing my ideas and contributing in terms of finances a little bit and advice also. Yeah, the school have really are open for parents to be part of board, and share the ideas on how the school will improve. And we have done that, and we have seen a lot of progress. Yeah, most of us we struggle financially. The school is located in a zone where economical is very low. Kwale County is one of the areas that economical is very low in Kenya. And most parents, especially from GGA, come from the background that very humble background. I know that's one of the area most of my colleagues' parents are struggling with, but the few of us that we have managed, we have really motivated the rest, and also we thank people who have come in and support us. And we also encourage you as volunteers to take this to the people outside there that we have many people who want to pursue and to go ahead, but their parents, because of you know the where they come from economically, they're very low. So we as parents, we have a big role to play. That if we fail to do it, the school might not really achieve its goal. Yeah.